Hello everyone, this is Dr. Seema. I intend to put up some videos on the basics of neoplasia, which is one of the most complicated topics for any undergraduate to understand. I would start with the cell cycle, which is the most basic of all. So, what is a cell cycle or a cell proliferation? A cell cycle is nothing but a series of events that take place in a cell, the end result of which is the division of a single cell into two daughter cells. Why is this cell proliferation important? It is important for the development, to maintain a steady state homeostasis of the tissues, and also to replace the dead or the damaged cells by healthy cells. The crux of the whole cell cycle is to replicate the DNA accurately, to synthesize all the cellular elements in a coordinated manner, to ensure that the duplicated DNA and the cellular components are divided equally to the two daughter cells. It happens in 5 phases: the G0 phase, the G1 phase, S phase, G2 phase, and M phase. Briefly, what happens in each of these phases? G0 is a quiescent phase wherein the cell is in resting state, and it can enter into the cell cycle when adequate stimulus is provided. So as you all know, there are 3 types of cells. There are labile cells, which are cells that are continuously dividing. For example, the GI tract cells, the epidermis, they are always in the cell cycle dividing continuously. And then there are stable cells like the hepatocytes, which are in the quiescent stage, but they can enter into the cell cycle when necessary. And then there are permanent cells like the neurons and the myocytes, which have lost their ability to proliferate. This is about the G0. What happens in G1 phase? It is a growth phase that happens before the DNA synthesis. So the cell grows rapidly in size, it increases the number of cellular organelles, it increases the protein synthesis, and basically gets ready for the DNA synthesis to happen. Now what happens in the S phase, as you know, is there is a DNA synthesis, there is duplication of the DNA, and the chromosomes multiply, and they are exactly double the amount that was before the synthetic phase. There is a G2 phase, that is a pre-mitotic growth phase, wherein the cell again increases in size and increases the protein synthesis and gets ready for the mitosis. Finally, the mitotic phase, wherein all the divided organelles, the cellular components, the genetic material, they get distributed equally to the two daughter cells. So this is a diagrammatic representation of the cell cycle. As I said, the cells which are quiescent are in this G0 phase. They enter into the cycle through this and they get into the G1 phase. So there is another way that the cells get into the G1 phase. Those are the ones which are already divided, they've undergone mitosis, and they continue to divide and they continue in the same cycle. So